Yeah. It's church. Hey, hey, hey. Feel like a king, feel like a god. I don't think no one can stop me. I'm on my way straight to the top. Then the so sloppy. I know he wish he could copy, but that little boy is just not me. I am a one of a kind. There is nobody else like me. Feel like a king, feel like a god. I don't think no one can stop me. I'm on my way straight to the.
Hi folks, Martin Lackey, Lions Realty Investments, your easy bake oven expert, broker by eXp. Thank you for just joining us for today's episode where we explore the impact of COVID-19 on the real estate market. This is quite a complex topic, so there's a lot to dive into, so let's get to it. Let's take our turn. The COVID pandemic has affected every single person on the planet, obviously. Every country has felt the reach of this virus, and the economic changes have been dramatic. And as many countries and states go on lockdown, many people are left wondering what will happen next. This is a really difficult time and uncertainty for the future. Yet, this is just difficult for jobs, schools, but also for the market of real estate. One of the most important, significant problems with predicting the future of the real estate market is that this pandemic is unprecedented in our lifetime. Even though pandemics have occurred before in human history, we've never been connected as we are today. It only takes a matter of hours to reach another country by plane, and all of our economics are closely linked. This means that what happens in one place can have a monumental impact on another. In this new world, we are now all facing new challenges because of our inner conceitedness. The biggest problem facing real estate market at the moment is the renting crisis. As people around the world are focused to stop working on businesses and businesses have to close down, there are an overwhelming number of people who cannot pay their rent. Normally, landlords would simply break the lease and find another tenant. However, there is a simple no one to take over businesses at the standstill, and many people are out of work. So landlords need to play it smart, and there are a huge number of tenants that are receiving rent concessions during this pandemic. However, tenants need to start thinking about how they can make up for the loss of income. If you are a landlord property owner and you're being impacted by the pandemic, it's important to get in touch with your local government or council. There may be some benefits that you can get from making rent concessions with your tenants, so do your research. Also, professionals in real estate industry are predicting that home values may be lower following this pandemic. So if you currently have a home on the market, now is the time to sell. On the other hand, if you're currently operating a business or working consistently during the pandemic, now may be the time to take advantage of the lower value of the rental market and buy property. In general, this is a big step because it's a risky time to invest and plan for the future when everything is so uncertain, just everything. Once everything changes, once this pandemic is over, many economics are predicting that this health crisis will dramatically shift people's behavior and consumption patterns, their spending habits. For instance, when online conference calls see an increase in Zoom meetings, I'm zoomed out. The large office spaces are no longer needed. With shopping centers going off and people buy more online, we just don't know. However, the impact of these changes could change the rental market forever. So thanks for listening. Join us next time. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button as we take our turn. So just check out some of the references we have below. And I appreciate you guys. You guys take care. God bless. And let's live the easy bake oven life.